So the first thing I'm going to do to set my table is create the centerpiece, and since it is a spring tabletop, we're going to do a little mix of bud vases and some lanterns. So what I like about this is that there isn't a huge centerpiece that is obtrusive and doesn't allow conversation. So we're going to start with these in the center and then put a few flowers in the bud vases to place between the lanterns. Accenting the place settings is a really fun way to add a little more decor to your table. So for our spring tabletop, I found these beads and we're just going to wrap them around the napkins and the silverware. So what you're going to do is take the napkin and hold it diagonally and tuck the sides in. Grab at the center, place your silverware right there in the center where you're holding it. And then we're going to wrap the beads around twice. And you're going to end in the back so you can tie it together.